Even though there are big issues in America, they still pale in comparison to the issues that many people around the globe deal with on a daily basis. In America, we have the highest income inequality gap ever in history, yet the irony is that the standard of living of the average citizen is far greater than what millionaires had just 100 years ago. In The Subtle Arts of Not Giving a Fuck, the author Mark Manson puts it simply: problems never go away, they just improve. Warren Buffett's got money problems, the drunk hobo at Quickie Mart has money problems. The only difference is Buffett's problems are better than the hobo's. Life is essentially an endless series of problems. The solution to one problem is merely the creation of the next. Don't hope for a world without problems. There is no such thing. Hope for a world with good problems. For some in America, not having enough shoes in their collection is a problem, while in other parts of the world, having shoes in the first place is a luxury. Many of us were born into such a prosperous world, we really don't know anything about real suffering. Imagine living in Syria right now. Syrians aren't worried about how annoying their boss is, or how much their teacher sucks, or that Jimmy took Sally to the prom instead of them. They're worried about surviving another day. They're worried about having food, water, or shelter. One of the best quotes from Helen Keller is, "Many people know so little about what is beyond their short range of experience. They look within themselves, and then they find nothing. Therefore, they conclude that there is nothing outside of themselves either." If we are always worrying about things that we don't have, we lose sight of all that we do have. The easiest way to prosperity is to stay grateful for all that we have in the present, while at the same time working our butts off to improve our own situation. There are 7.5 billion people on this planet. Let's start thinking beyond just ourselves. It's not about me, it's not about you, it's about us. Imagine for a second if everyone thought from a more than me perspective, how good could the world become?